You start.
Good morning. My name is Mrs. Privet.
And I am Mrs. Walker.
We are two teachers from Summerhill Preschool Center. And we today are going to talk to you about the letter M and the sound it makes. Ms. Walker has the uppercase M, and I have the lowercase m. And the letter M says like that's delicious, And if you look at the uppercase letter, it is made up of lines. You go down, 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 and down. The two lines in the middle are kind of diagonal. They come to a point in the center. And then the two on the end go straight down. And if you look at the lowercase m, you start at the top, you have a line that goes down, you come back up, do a curve, come down, go back up, do another curve, and come down. And that is how you make the uppercase or the capital M or the lowercase or the small m.
Now, today we're going to read a poem. It's called Mimi Mouse. Mimi Mouse.
And this is Mimi Mouse. Can you see it? Mimi Mouse. Looks like she's eating some cheese.
So we're going to read the poem, and then we're going to come back and circle all of the uppercase M's and all of the lowercase M's.
All right, let's read the poem titled Mimi Mouse. Your marker's right there.
Oh, thank you.
Come with me, Mimi Mouse. We will make our mini house. We will mix and measure mud to make a floor and write M on our mud door. That poem had a lot of M's, uppercase, capital M's, as well as lowercase m's. Let's see if we can find it. Let's reread the first or the title of the poem. Mimi Mouse. Do you see any capital M's? I know you do.
If you said at the beginning, you are absolutely right. Because Mimi is the beginning of it's her name. So the first letter in any name is always going to be capitalized.
And Mouse is her last name. So we're going to circle the capital M in Mouse because it's a name.
However, in her first name, she has two M's. She has the capital M and then she has the lowercase m. Because remember, in the middle of a word, it's always a lowercase letter.
Can you circle the lowercase m in Mimi? Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's read the first sentence of our poem. Come with me, Mimi Mouse. Do you see any M's, uppercase or lowercase in that first sentence? I know you do. I see one in the first word. Ms. Walker, can you circle that lowercase m?
Absolutely. So we have the lowercase m in the word come. And it's lowercase because, like I said, it's in the inside the word. It's not the beginning letter. And then we have M in me. Now, even though this is the beginning of this word, it's in the middle of the sentence. So we don't have to capitalize that M.
And here we have Mimi. That's her name. So we have to circle it. And we have to because it's capitalized.
And we have the lowercase in the middle of her name.
And the first letter of her last name is capitalized because it is her name. And we circled it because it is a capital M.
The next sentence reads,
We will make our mini house.
Now, we have the word make, which is not a person, place, or thing. So it's not going to be capitalized and it's not at the beginning of the sentence.
And many for the same reason. It's not a person, place, or thing, and it's not at the beginning of a sentence. So that's why it has a lowercase m. And so we circled it.
The next sentence.
We will mix and measure mud to make a flower and write M on our mud door. That's a long sentence.
Floor.
What did I say? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flower.
I'm
So
sorry.
we're going to reread this sentence again.
We will mix and measure mud to make a floor and write M on our mud door. See, Miss Privy makes mistakes too. But thank you, Miss Walker, for catching that.
You're welcome. So now we're going to find the uppercase or lowercase m in this sentence. Did you see that one? That's right.
You got it.
It's a lowercase m, and we will circle it with an orange marker.
And here's another one. I know you saw it.
M in measure.
And M in mud. You guys are on it.
Here's another one here. M in make.
And here, this is a capital M, so it needs to be circled with a blue marker.
And then our last M is a lowercase, and it's in the word mud. Did you hear the beginning sound? Mud. If you're ever in doubt, say the word like make,
Mini,
mix,
measure,
make,
mud.
mud again. So if you're ever in doubt of what the beginning sound is, just say the word. Take your time and say the word slowly. Mix.
Measure, and you'll have it.
So now we're going to show you some items that begin with the letter M. This is my personal mask. Because of the coronavirus, we want to cover up our face when we are out in public.
And I have some markers. Markers.
And if you add some here, you'll recognize this. This is music together. So music begins with the letter M. It makes music.
Good.
And the last item.
Get the moose.
Oh, absolutely.
Our next item is a mirror. Mirror. You all look at the mirror, at yourself in the mirror in the morning when you're getting ready for school. This is a mirror.
And my last item is a moose. A moose. Moose. Well, thank you, boys and girls, for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed this mini lesson on the letter M. The sound again is Enjoy your evening.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.